Respiration is a process that occurs with most heterotrophs. Photosynthesis is a process where autotrophs get food from sunlight, and sometimes they're also called producers, which you'll learn about in later lessons when you get to life and diversity. So photosynthesis is the opposite of respiration, and that's the opposite of aerobic respiration with oxygen. Producer takes in sunlight and stores the radiant energy in bonds and sugars. So what producers need are carbon dioxide from the air, which goes in through the leaves. It needs water, which often comes from the roots of the plants, and then sunlight as well, which goes through the leaves, and that will help them produce sugars. And then oxygen is expelled out the leaves as well, and the sugars are stored in the body of the plant. And remember, it's not always necessarily just plain sugar. Sometimes it'll be those more complex molecules like cellulose or something like that. Obviously something like sugarcane has pure sugars in it, and we know a lot of fruits that store sugar in them. But then oxygen is expelled out the leaves as well, where the carbon dioxide came in. There are all sorts of complex reactions that occur involving ATP and NADPH, which provide different types of energy, and the Calvin cycle. And those are all things you might learn about if you go on to take IB biology or if you go on to do AP biology. But the most important thing you have to remember is the reactants are water and carbon dioxide, and of course you need some sunlight as well. And your products from photosynthesis are sugar and oxygen gas.